Okie dokie. So the website that I chose that is my favorite website is eBay. So I know I sound much older than I am by choosing this website, but ever since I was little, I can recall going on this website to shop for vintage clothes, jewelry, and so on and so forth. So this is just a generic account. This is not necessarily my account, but I will show you how eBay works, so on and so forth. So the first thing is that you can search for anything. So let's say you can search from a pair of shoes to a brand new car. So we can look up SUV. Boom, we found a Land Rover Freelander, and it does convert to pounds, so whatever location you are at, you can use eBay for the most part. So if you click on it, it'll take you to a new tab. The item that is for sale will have some pictures, and then in many cases, it'll have a bid. So for this particular item, it has a reserve, and a reserve means that there is a minimum amount that the seller wants to get for this item. So if they do not meet the reserve, then the item will not sell, no matter how many bids there are, because there are already 3 bids and the reserve is not yet met. However, if we go, let's see, to this one, this item, this particular Land Rover, has a price, which is £3,000, but it also has an option to make an offer. So not only could you purchase this for £3,000, but if you make an offer, you could actually purchase it probably for much less than that £3,000. And this particular person put in their notes that they require you to pay in cash to pick it up and that there is no shipping to you. So eBay has a lot of different options. You can really customize and filter the kind of results that you want to get. So if I only wanted an auction, would click over here. If I only wanted to buy it now, I'd click over here. And if I wanted somebody that accepts offers, I would click right there. I hope you got a little bit better feel for how eBay works. It is one of my favorite websites.